Stepping through walls. A dream or reality? Imagine stepping into a booth, pressing a button, and instantly finding yourself on the other side of the world. What if we could travel without planes, trains, or automobiles, simply by teleporting ourselves to our desired destinations? Teleportation, long a staple of science fiction, has captured our imaginations for decades. But could this fantastical ability one day become a reality? The answer, while still uncertain, lies in the realm of quantum physics and the boundless possibilities of scientific exploration. The allure of teleportation is undeniable. It represents the ultimate freedom of movement, the ability to transcend physical barriers and connect with people and places instantaneously. The potential benefits of such technology are staggering, promising to revolutionize travel, commerce, and human interaction as we know it. But before we get carried away by the sheer coolness of teleportation, we must also consider the scientific, technological, and ethical challenges that lie ahead. Beaming across the globe, teleportation explained. At its core, teleportation involves the instantaneous transfer of matter from one location to another without physically traversing the space in between. Think of it like sending a fax, but instead of transmitting information, we're transmitting actual physical objects, or even people. Sounds impossible. While it might seem like something straight out of Star Trek, the basic principles of teleportation are rooted in the bizarre and counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics. One key concept is quantum entanglement, where two particles become linked even when separated by vast distances. Any change to one particle instantly affects the other, regardless of the distance between them. Another important concept is quantum superposition, where a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is observed or measured. These mind-boggling principles form the foundation for theoretical teleportation models, offering a glimmer of hope that what seems impossible today might become commonplace tomorrow. From science fiction to science labs, the quest for teleportation. While we haven't quite cracked the code of human teleportation, scientists have made remarkable progress in the field of quantum teleportation. In laboratory settings, researchers have successfully teleported the quantum states of photons, atoms, and even small molecules over short distances. These groundbreaking experiments, while still in their infancy, demonstrate the potential of quantum mechanics to manipulate matter in unprecedented ways. One notable breakthrough occurred in 2017, when Chinese scientists successfully teleported photons from Earth to a satellite orbiting over 300 miles above the planet's surface. This experiment shattered previous distance records for quantum teleportation, proving that information can be transmitted instantaneously across vast distances using the principles of quantum entanglement. While teleporting a photon is a far cry from teleporting a human being, these early successes provide a tantalizing glimpse into the future possibilities of this technology. The quantum conundrum: unraveling the mysteries of matter transfer. Despite these promising advancements, the road to human teleportation is paved with formidable challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer complexity of living organisms. The human body is composed of trillions of atoms, each with its own unique quantum state. To teleport a human, we would need to instantly scan, deconstruct, transmit, and perfectly reconstruct this mind-bogglingly intricate structure at the destination. Even if we could overcome the technological challenges of scanning and reconstructing matter at such a fundamental level, ethical concerns abound. What happens to the original copy of the person being teleported? Is the teleported individual truly the same person, or just a perfect copy? These questions delve into the very nature of consciousness, identity, and the soul, raising profound philosophical and ethical dilemmas that we must grapple with before we unlock the secrets of human teleportation. Section 5, a world without borders, teleportation and the future of travel. Let's imagine for a moment that we've overcome these challenges and mastered the art of human teleportation. What would our world look like? The most immediate impact would be on travel. Imagine a world without cars, planes, or trains, where we could instantly transport ourselves to any corner of the globe. Commuting to work would become a breeze. Vacations would become instantaneous escapes, and the very concept of distance would be redefined. The environmental benefits alone would be transformative. With no need for fossil fuel-powered vehicles, we could dramatically reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Teleportation could also revolutionize global trade and commerce, allowing for the instantaneous transport of goods and materials, eliminating shipping costs, and streamlining supply chains. The possibilities are endless, promising a future where the world truly becomes our oyster. Section 6, the teleportation revolution, reshaping economies and societies, but the impact of teleportation extends far beyond travel and commerce. It has the potential to reshape entire industries, economies, and even the fabric of human society. Imagine a world where physical location is no longer a barrier to employment, education, or healthcare. People could live anywhere in the world and work remotely, accessing the best opportunities regardless of their physical location. This newfound freedom of movement could lead to a more interconnected and equitable world, fostering cultural exchange and breaking down geographical barriers. However, it could also exacerbate existing inequalities, as the wealthy and privileged gain even greater access to resources and opportunities, while the less fortunate are left behind. As with any transformative technology, the societal impacts of teleportation are complex and multifaceted, demanding careful consideration and planning to ensure a just and equitable transition. Section 7. The dark side of teleportation, ethical dilemmas and potential risks. While the potential benefits of teleportation are undeniable, we must also confront the potential downsides and risks associated with this technology. One major concern is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, teleportation could become a tool for crime, terrorism, or even warfare. Imagine the chaos if criminals could teleport into banks, terrorists could bypass security checkpoints, or armies could instantly deploy troops anywhere in the world. Another concern is the potential impact on privacy and security. If our bodies and belongings can be deconstructed and reconstructed at will, what's to stop someone from intercepting and stealing our information or even our physical forms during the teleportation process? These are not merely hypothetical concerns, but real ethical and security challenges that must be addressed before we can fully embrace the promise of teleportation. Section 8. The price of instantaneous travel. Weighing the pros and cons. The prospect of teleportation presents us with a profound dilemma. On one hand, it offers a tantalizing vision of a future where distance is no longer a barrier, where we can connect with anyone, anywhere, at any time. It promises to revolutionize travel, reshape industries, and foster global interconnectedness on an unprecedented scale. But on the other hand, it raises profound ethical, social, and security concerns that we cannot afford to ignore. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of teleportation, we must proceed with both caution and excitement. We must carefully weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks, ensuring that this transformative technology is used responsibly and ethically for the betterment of humanity. The future of teleportation is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It holds the potential to fundamentally alter our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Section 9. Teleportation, a giant leap for mankind. The quest to unlock the secrets of teleportation is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and scientific exploration. It is a journey into the very fabric of reality, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. While the road ahead is fraught with challenges, the pursuit of teleportation offers a glimpse into a future where the impossible becomes possible, where the limitations of time and space are no longer insurmountable. Whether teleportation ultimately proves to be a boon or a bane to humanity remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the journey itself will undoubtedly lead to profound discoveries and innovations that will shape the course of human history for generations to come. So let us continue to explore, to question and to dream, for it is in the pursuit of the seemingly impossible that we often make our greatest strides.